All right, so I went shopping and I got a few fun things and I wanted to show you what those are this week so you can see if these are some fun pieces you want to get in your wardrobe or things that are very similar to it and why I picked them up. The first thing that I got was this dress. This dress I call a one and done. Absolutely love, amazing. I imagine it with some pumps, but the nice thing about this is it is that ladylike look with a little bit of the frills that is going to be so popular this year. I'm wearing my ladylike jacket right now, but in the summertime, this will be so cute just on its own. And you're going to find that ladylike look in vests also and tank tops. Now, the nice thing about this is all you have to do is put some fun jewelry with it. If you wanted to dress it down, you could put a jean jacket, but it is definitely something you will want to wear for brunch or if you're going to an event, and it's just clean, it's classic, and it's a one and done. And who does not like that? Love. The next thing I kind of wanted to showcase are these pants. Absolutely love these. I got these at White House Black Market. The reason why I picked these up are a few things, details. The bottom has a cinched cuff, which I absolutely love. So it kind of gives that jogger type look. So athletic, elevated athleisure wear is not athletic. Elevated athleisure wear is so in. It's kind of like another tongue twister, but love that. And then also pleats are coming in, and I'm not quite sure if I'm a big fan of pleats, but these aren't overly overdone in pleats. And you know, sometimes you just got to embrace that feel and look and trend when it's coming and it's here. And I thought, well, this would be a fun way to do it. And it also has the little cargo pants, but I am imagining this with a white denim jacket and just have a white tank top, and it looks amazing, or a black tank and some flats, either or. So a black wrap sweater would be really, really cute with this. And then some black pumps for that clean, classic, elevated look. And it just looks so fresh and clean. And then also a darker tank. I got this tank and it is so beautiful. So it's got that lacy look, so kind of that frills. And this is an Italian brand, Gigi, and it is amazing. Bought this at Daisy Blue. These run around like $75, $76, but it will go with everything. Put it with this pant. Now I'm kind of tucking it in a little bit tighter, and I'm also putting the white denim jacket with this. Now, I'm talking about this white denim jacket a lot. Just picked it up. I picked it up at Daisy Blue. Love, it's by Cut by the Cloth. Now, why do I love this so much? One, it is so thin. It's just soft. It's like literally buttery soft, and it doesn't wrinkle easily. And the other thing that I love is it's not stiff. So I have a denim jacket that I am definitely tossing out. It's going out. And the reason why is because it's just stiff and hard, and it's a really fun look, the denim jacket, but I just never go to it because I don't feel like wearing that type of material. And I don't know, it just doesn't seem to move with my body as well. So I picked this one up. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that. So that's one thing to look for. If you're putting on something you like the look, but the material doesn't feel comfortable, don't get it. Because from my experience, I can tell you, you will probably not wear it that much if it's not comfortable. The other thing that I love about this is it's a little cropped. It's not overly cropped, but it's not long, so it looks great, especially with pants like that have pleats like these. So it just shows the pleats, but it's not like you've got too much going on in your stomach area. And the other thing too is this jacket, actually, it's hard to see, but it does have a little bit of gathering and pleating to it too, just down here. They put some little darts in it. So it kind of gathers the jacket all, and they do that throughout the whole the whole jacket. So even the back side, it has like these little gathered spots, which is really, really cool. So really fun jacket. It's $138. So good price point too for a denim jacket, especially one that you think you're gonna get a lot of use out of. So I think I will. The other thing that I picked up that I'm actually surprised I picked up were jeans with holes in it. I have not bought a pair of jeans with holes in a long, long time. I don't know about you, but there was a period, it was before COVID. Right before COVID, I mean, you couldn't find any jeans without holes. I mean, it was really, really hard. You could, but you know, you had to look. Now, most of the jeans don't have holes, which I love. I love that clean look, like the pants I have on. These are a loose fit jean, but these are kind of more of a straight jean, which is really a nice look. So it's not overly wide. That's something to look for. You don't have to get them with holes, but I just thought this would be kind of a fun, edgy look. Since I have a few pairs of wide or straight leg jeans now in my closet, my wardrobe, I thought it'd be kind of fun to get these for that little edgy look, which I love. That's my style, that's my vibe, so hence why I got them. Now, I'm imagining just things you can do with this, like a white tank with my white cut jacket now, super cute with some flats, just a nice casual look. But then also you can put like the silver tank that I got. And I also picked up another piece that I got to showcase, this Charlie B jacket. Incredible. So it's a silver suede with a knit sleeve, and the back is knit too. So it's very stretchy, it's very comfortable, it's fitted, which is incredible. And yeah, it's really clean and classic. I think this will look really cute, but put it with these jeans and then a little pump. So cute. This is definitely gonna be a date night look that I'm gonna be carrying with me. This would also look amazing then just putting it with any kind of regular jean or pant, and you're clean and classic, and you can be elevated, but you can also dress it down too, which I think will be a lot of fun. Now this jacket does run a little bit more. It was $180, but it is definitely a piece that I think I will be wearing not only this year, but for years to come. So I think that will be fun too. And then just putting a little white sweater with this, a wedge, really, really cute. Yeah, there's so much you can do with these kind of jeans. You know, I'm sure you wear jeans all the time, but I'm just trying to inspire you with some looks that I got. Shopping is so much fun. I enjoy it. I enjoy shopping for other people. I enjoy styling other people, but it's always kind of fun to get a few pieces in my own closet and see what I can do with it. So I hope this inspires you with some spring fashion that's coming and what pieces to look for the weeks to come. I'll be showing some other fun pieces that I'll be getting and how to style them. But this week, let's just stick to these and create some outfits. And that's what I encourage you to do. When you get a new piece, bring it in your closet. How can you put a few different looks together and have that set aside in your closet so it's ready to go? But as always, enjoy styling yourself and be true to who you are.